Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going over Punnett squares. Now, this is a really fun concept. So first off, we gotta ask, what on earth are Punnett squares? So Punnett squares, very simply, are diagrams that help us solve what genes someone will get, like what the offspring of two people will get. So let's say, just for example, this guy right here, his name is Jeff, and he has, blonde hair. And his wife has, let's just give her some pretty hair. She has, orange hair. So what is the probability of their child, so let's say they have a kid, what's their probability of the child having blonde hair? Well, Punnett squares can help us solve this. Okay, so let's make a genotype. Now, a genotype is just simply how we're gonna write this, how we're going to go for our Punnett squares. So let's say the quality of having blonde hair is a capital A. And the quality of having orange hair is a lowercase a. So, as I said, if you have yellow hair, that's going to be a capital A. So we're just going to write a B for blonde. Now our lowercase is going to be O for the quality of having orange hair. So let's say this person has a A, and this person has a capital A, lowercase a, lowercase a, lowercase a. Now we're going to plug this into our Punnett square. So a Punnett square just simply looks like this. It's like just a 2x2 square. If you ever did like box multiplication, it's literally that. So we're going to write our higher case a and lowercase a up here. We're going to write our lowercase a right here. The order doesn't matter, but just this is how we're going to do it for this time. So whenever there's a dominant gene, we're going to write that first. So a capital A will always go first. So A, then our lowercase one. A, which is our lowercase, is going to be double A. Our higher case a, lowercase a, like I said, higher case a always goes first. So it looks like that. Then we got an A. So there'll be a 50% chance on both sides. They'll have a 50% chance of having A, higher case a, lowercase a. And they'll have a 50% chance of having a, lowercase a, lowercase a. So 50% and 50%. So what do these terms even mean? So higher case a, lowercase a means that the person's going to have blonde hair, but they'll have a recessive of orange hair. So what does that mean? So that means that the person won't have orange hair, but their child or descendants of them could have orange hair, if that makes sense. But a recessive gene only shows up if there's two of them, which comes down to our second example. This person has a 50% chance of having AA, both lowercase, which means that this person will have orange hair. And they'll be able to spread this quality of having orange hair since they have the lowercase a. So that's pretty much all we have to do for Punnett squares. Now let's go over another example, just to make sure we 100% understand this concept. So this is going to be our second example. So this person's going to have a AA. So the quality of red hair is going to be capital A. And the quality of having blonde hair is going to be lowercase a. So lowercase a is blonde. Now let's just punch it into our Punnett squares. So boop. Just going to make it. Uppercase a is we're just going to put that on top. Lowercase a is going to be on the side. Now, as remember, dominant always is written first, so higher case a, lowercase a, higher case a, lowercase a, higher case a, lowercase a, higher case a, lowercase a. So this Punnett square tells us that there's a 100% chance, a 100% chance, that this person's going to have red hair, because that's their dominant gene for every single one of them. So they'll have a 100% chance of having red hair. But they'll would also have a 100% chance of having a recessive gene of lowercase a, which is blonde hair. So they won't have blonde hair, but one of their children or descendants likely will. So that's all for today on Punnett squares. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you need some more examples, just ask, and I'll gladly do so. That's all for today, though. Have a great day.